Welcome to Somfy's instructional video series. In this video, we will show you step-by-step instructions for programming the inner and outer limits for an awning with a Sonea motor. It's important to power only one motor at a time while programming. Start programming by pressing both up and down at the same time until the awning jogs. A jog is a brief in and out movement of your motorized product. Check the direction of operation by pressing down to confirm it moves the awning out. Now let's set the limits. Move the awning to the desired inner limit by pressing and holding up. Release when the inner limit is reached. Press and hold My and down until the awning begins to move out. Then release. Use My to stop it at the desired outer limit. You can make adjustments if necessary. Press and hold My and up until the awning begins to move in. Then release. Immediately press My to stop the awning. Press and hold My until the awning jogs. Press and hold the Program button on the back of the remote until the awning jogs. Your limits are now set. Now is an ideal time to install and add any additional accessories, such as sun or wind sensors, wall switches, and timers. Enjoy your Somfy motorized awning.